Welcome, in front of me is VIVO Y19s, and in this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint scanner doesn't recognize your fingerprint properly. So in such case you have to set up a new fingerprint, so go to the settings, then select security, open it, go to fingerprint, confirm, and then remove the previous fingerprint models that you have installed on your phone. Click in right here and then select add fingerprint to proceed. And before we add a new fingerprint, let's grab a dry towel and wipe the surface of the scanner area. You can also remove the phone cover to let the scanner read your fingerprint clearer. And once you're ready, select start enrollment and start placing your finger onto the fingerprint scanner. Then select done, and before we proceed, let's also check if there are any updates to the system. So go back to settings, find system update, check if your device is up to date, and if it isn't, download the latest software just to make sure that all the features work properly on your device. And before we try our fingerprint unlock scanner, again, let's hold down the power button with the volume up button at the same time and restart the phone just to make sure that all the settings applied. And once the phone is restarted, let's first unlock it with the password or pattern, and then let's try to unlock it using the fingerprint. So as you can see, everything went smoothly, and I hope it did for you too. And if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.